Claire, I swear, get up. Chanel, and today I have another Slime Wars video for you guys. I don't know if you guys remember, but a few weeks back I did a Slime Wars video with my friend Faith, and now I'm going to be doing another one but with my hola sister. So basically how today's video is, stop touching my hand. So basically oh my god. So today's video we are each going to be making a slime, and we're going to see whose slime is better. So at the end of the video, make sure you comment down below who you think made the better slime, me or my little sister. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
So first I'm going to be adding some school glue into a bowl, then some conditioner, and 1 drop of blue food coloring. Next I'm just going to be mixing this all together. Next I'm going to be mixing in about roughly 1 teaspoon of dry instant snow powder. Then I'm just going to go in with my activator and go ahead and activate this. So this is what I ended up with. It's a cloud cream texture, however it did inflate.
Okay, shut up.
Now I'm going to be adding the Queso clay so it becomes a buttercream slime, and I'm just going to be mixing this in. I just added white Queso clay, but I'm sure any color would work.
Okay.
So this is what my slime ended up to be. It's really nice. I actually really like the texture. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in the video it is very inflated. So that's probably why it doesn't look like there's a lot of snow in there, but there is some, I promise you. It is very sizzly, and I don't know, I really like buttercream slimes. I think they're super awesome. So first you're going to add some glue. I don't really care how much you add, you can just add some. Then you're just going to add some conditioner, like more conditioner. Then you're just going to add a drop of food coloring that looks red, but then it turns pink. You just mix. And then you add a, like, what is that, cup thingy of instant snow into the slime and just mix it some more because that's cool. Then you add some activator borax stuff. Don't eat it, it's laundry detergent. Then just mix it in, and I'm gonna like do that off camera because it takes forever. Then here's some ASMR.
Poke. Claire, don't talk. It's an ASMR video.
Poke. I don't know how to do this. And now you're just going to add some Queso clay and mix it in like all the Instagram people do because they think it's cool and satisfying and whatever, you know. Just let you guys see that because it's not boring or anything. Just gonna poke it some more and then lift it, poke it some more, lift, poke. Then bada boom, pow, you're done! So my sister told me to talk about my slime. So I think it's horrible because I normally, whenever I try to create stuff, I kind of destroy everything and it's bad. It's not smooth. It has de-aso clay chunks all over it, but it's pink and I like that. So, bye.
This week's video, if you
I
liked
was
it.
fixing my hair.
So thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, if you want to see more slime videos with my sister, make sure to leave that down below. Also, comment down below who you think won the Slime Wars. Make sure to subscribe to become part of the #Pineapple Squad.
Ow! On my toe.
Here is this week's Pineapple Squad shout out. Put it over Claire's face. If you want a shout out in maybe next week's video, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below #Pineapple Squad. If you want to see more slime videos, make sure to stay till the very end of the video. I'm going to be putting a playlist at the end of the video, as well as the video that I did with Faith for the Slime Wars. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
I can be fancy if I